average age of everyone? Of course do their own. So if I just have a sample and I calculate the standard deviation, it is going to be smaller than it should be. Because these guys will be closer to their own mean. You guys semi with me? Does that make sense? I mean, just physically, does it make sense? So mathematically, what do I do to a number when I want it to come out a little bigger? I'm dividing and I want the answer to come out a little bigger. I divide by a little less. If I take a number and divide by less, doesn't the answer come bigger? Yes? No? What's 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 3? It got bigger. Okay. So what we do, and later this semester we'll see this come up again, but for right now I'm just going to tell you, the adjustment we make if it's a sample is we don't divide by n, we divide by n minus 1. A little smaller so that it gets a little bigger so it's closer to what it's supposed to be. It's an adjustment we make for it being a sample. And also, instead of a Greek letter, we would use S for a sample. Just like we have mu and x bar, we have sigma and S. Population sample. Okay, so let me give you this. One side is a worked out problem, and the other side is the one I want you guys to do. Oh shit, and of course there's one more thing up here. Everybody got a calculator, right? When you get this, can you put the data 1, 2, 5, 8, 9 into your list in your calculator? I want to show you something cool that make the calculator do some work for us. On. Where are you? Oh, you're on. All right, guys. Do it. Hey, I don't want that one. Okay. All right, so let me catch up to you. Oh, it's low in my. Oh, where's mine? Is that mine? Shit. No, this is mine. Yeah. All right. Boom, boom. So if you put in here for number 1, whoa, dude. 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. Now for a little list like this is sort of not necessary, but let me show you. This is kind of cool. And I was really nice on this. I told you how to do this on the paper. I want this row to, this column to be L1. I want it to be x minus x bar. X bar for this problem is 5. See that? So I want this to be x minus 5. Where are the x's? List 1. So I want list 2, highlight list 2. I want list 2, see how it says list 2 at the bottom? I want list 2 to be list 1. List 1 is right there above your 1 button. Everybody with me so far? List 1 minus 5, bam. So if I give you a long list of data, hell yeah, I want to do this shit, so I don't have to do it for every number. Is everybody with me? You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody got this data into list 1?
I'm going to take that as a yes. Highlight list 2. So it's sort of like Excel, just worse. If you've ever used Excel, it's sort of like that. I can make list 2, I want it to be everything in list 1 minus 5. That's how far the data points are from 5. So L2 equals L1 minus 5. Bam. You guys, everybody good? Yes? All right. And then what do I want the next list to be? I want it to be all that stuff squared. So I want it to be L2 squared. So if I go to list 3, I can make it L2 squared. Kabam. And then I just copy that shit down. There's the 16, 9, 0, 16, right? There it is. Yes, yes? Maybe, maybe? We'll find out. Do you have to do that? No? Yes?
L2 or you put it L1 again?
No, L3. What do I want list 3 to be? I want it to be the square of these things. Where are these things? In list 2. So I want L3 to be, go up to L3, make it list 2 squared. Kabam. All right, now you guys do this one on the other side. Notice how I say, do not round. It only comes out to 1 decimal place, so don't freak out. And of course, you guys missed all that shit, so too bad.